Video, and today we are doing like a volcano kit.
Did you add it and put it on there?
But anyways, yeah, we already got this set up.
That's the plaster, and we're doing 2.5 cups.
So, yeah, so is this enough, Mom?
No, that's not filled up. It's 2.5 cups.
This is the volcano plaster. Didn't know.
Right there, yeah. Throw it in here.
Now I have to put it in here.
And fill another cup up. Don't breathe all that stuff in.
I should go glasses for this.
Yeah, put this over your face. Simon, it goes in the bowl.
I'm trying to make it go in the bowl. Yeah, put that on there. Okay.
Southwest is arresting somebody else, throwing them off the plane.
Throwing them off the plane.
United.
Oh, she got a new hairdo. How are you doing? Let me see your teeth. Oh.
What are y'all doing?
Making a volcano.
Okay, that's good. Throw that in here.
Okay.
And then a half. Throw it
There's
all
my
in
Isabella.
Throw it all in half. And then do half of it.
What's popping?
Fill it up half full.
Again?
Yep.
What is this?
We're making a volcano.
Is it even a volcano?
Whoa, that's enough.
Okay, bro.
More. More.
Is it seriously gonna
Wait.
erupt?
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Now we have to pour that in.
Hmm.
Mom, we need to make it slow.
Don't breathe all that stuff.
Mom, I'm sorry I accidentally made a mess. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I accidentally made a mess, Mom.
Okay.
Sorry. So sorry, Mom.
And set it aside. Okay, gradually add your measured plaster to the water while stirring until you reach a consistency that is thick but pureable. Requires 2 1/4 inch.
Arrowhead. A planet. A weird looking rock. So.
Simon, don't smell all that.
I'm just gonna smell this towel then. Smelling the towel.
Okay, gradually add your measured plaster to the water.
What do you mean?
Gradually add your measured plaster to. Okay, so you're gonna start pouring this in there. Wait, slowly. I gotta get you the beater. Hold on.
Okay, so we're gonna be pouring this volcano plaster into this water, 9 ounces of water in this bucket. Make sure to go showbiz to watch some movies. Seriously, go showbiz. Okay, Mom, you ready? Let's go.
I gotta take a chip break.
Yeah, me too. Give me a chip and put it in my mouth. Give me a chip. Get me a chip. Chip in the hole. Chip in the hole.
Got it.
Chip in another hole. Okay, that's good. Okay, now what, Mom?
Don't still smoke though.
Now what are we gonna do?
It says you stir it around. Give me the plaster. Start stirring.
It looks like
Don't breathe it.
looks like milk. Mom, really? My video's about to end.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Again? I hope it's baby no more.
Great job, Mom.
Thanks.
Oh, never mind. The video's not going right now.
Why?
Because of you. This video's not going. Okay, I guess we can do that.
Do you want me to stir?
No, I want this. You pour. Take milk.
Looks kind of like milk.
Don't breathe in.
Here, put this on there while you stir. Put that on your nose. Ooh.
Hmm.
God, don't sit so close to it.
Now, do I do more?
Yep.
Put more in.
Oh, it's thickening up.
Is it good?
Keep stirring.
Yeah, it feels weird.
Yeah, it's gonna start thickening up. Okay, it says
Is that good?
keep stirring. Pour the plaster onto. Gradually add your measured plaster to the water while stirring until you've reached a consistency that is thick and pourable. 2.5.
God.
Pour the plaster into
like
the volcano mold and let it
cooking
sit
ice
for
cream.
45 minutes. We're going to have to let it sit for 45 minutes.
Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna end the video, and part 2 is gonna come up in a minute. Okay? So I'll see y'all in the part 2 of the volcano kit.
See y'all later.